everyone, welcome to our live streaming. Our major product is pipe fittings and flange. This flange. And our major market is South country and also Middle East and some European countries. And during our long-term relationship with our clients, our company become stronger and stronger. And our clients import the quantity is bigger and bigger. And also the market share is become very strong. So how it happened? Okay, today we invite our sales marketing manager Sophia to introduce with us. Okay, this is Sophia.
Hello everyone, I'm Sophia.
Okay, I know that our company have a long relationship with clients.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, would you like to share with us about your story?
Of course, I'd like to share everything if you are interested in.
Okay, when you begin to first cooperate? And
around 7 years ago.
Okay, and maybe at the beginning the quantity is not big, yeah.
Yes. The first time he only placed the travel order.
Yeah.
And his inquiry from Alibaba.
Okay.
Yes. I think perhaps because we are golden supplier on Alibaba, so he is easily find us on the website.
Okay.
Yeah.
If the clients just from Alibaba, I think the clients will have many choices because there are many factories and the manufacturer, and so why the clients finally choose you?
The first, I think we are experienced golden supplier on Alibaba and approved. And second is our company.
Yeah.
The service is 24 hours online.
Yeah.
So I can give the answer and price immediately.
Yeah.
And the third, I think our price is competitive. Yeah, because we are experienced for European market and very well for the quality control. So I think that helped me get the chance and order from the customer.
Yeah, I think maybe the company price is good, and also you are very service them very good.
Perhaps.
The give the quotation is very fast.
Yes.
Yeah, and what about their feedback after the first order? The feedback?
Of course, is satisfied of him. The quality and price. Important is delivery time.
Yeah.
Our, as you know, our advantage of our company is the delivery time.
Yeah.
And second is we promise the quality, and we will do everything absolutely according to the request of the client. So that's why we can get good feedback from the new customer.
Yeah, the client's feedback is very good. I think maybe the most important is about our short delivery and good quality, and also your online service.
Thank you.
And I know we have cooperated many years. So did we met some trouble or problems?
Of course, there must have many problems, especially in the first year. For example, for the package size of the plywood box or the pallet, because in different country and different request for the packaging method or the size. And the second is the surface treatment. He is Europe, so serious for the so serious for the surface treatment. Must be beautiful. And no touch, no stretch. Must perfect. So it's
very smooth.
And second and third. Third is because he always hurry up for the delivery time. So even during the production, the time we always change so that the shipment can be faster and faster.
Yeah. So their requirement is very strict.
Yes.
The surface is very smooth.
Yeah.
Very smooth, no strike,
no touch.
Yeah. And also they need a very short delivery.
Yes.
So I think the short delivery is our company advantage.
Yes.
So we will try our best to meet the client's requirement. Yeah. And what about the development of this company?
How to say? At the first year, he only ordered us around 3 or 5 containers.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, after 4 or 5 years until now, his company annual purchase value and can be around 20 containers now.
Oh, so big. Yeah.
So
it's from 3 containers to 20 containers.
Yeah, and he also become one of the most famous supplier in the local market.
Yeah.
And he also do the export now. For example, he export to Norway, Spanish, England, Italy, even Arabia countries.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the client's company before is a small, maybe trading company. Now become a big stockist in the local market.
Yes.
Yeah, and also maybe sometimes export to the nearby countries.
Yeah.
So our product quality is very popular in the market now. So I know you cooperate with this clients for a long time. So what about your personal relationship now?
I think it's destiny between us. And I also thanks God can give me the friend like him. Yeah. For 7 years ago, he is single, I'm single. But now he's daddy and mommy, and both of us have a doctor and the same age. Yeah.
Oh.
So it's lucky.
Yeah, it's lucky. Both of you is very lucky. You find the good clients, and the good clients find a reliable supplier. Yes. And I know before they maybe only purchase pipe fittings and the flanges. Maybe now they increase some other products.
Yes. Perhaps now he not only do the business for the warehouse for stock, and then he also do the project and tender. And for example, the huge size. Huge size with high pressure for the heavy industry. And he also prefer the 3D or 5D bands in big size. So exactly he is strength more than before.
I think so. It's very professional and large stockist. And also this year we all the world is met epidemic.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. So any effect about this clients?
Because we are one of the famous supplier in Changzhou, Hebei, and he also the strength company in the European market. So our business is going well and as normal. So I don't worry too much. Because now the order is continue and going. So it's okay.
So here we also want to say about though now it's epidemic still in the world. But we will together to fight it. So wear the mask maybe carefully and protect yourself and your family. And today we will thank you for Sophia to share with us. If you now looking for a reliable supplier, you just contact us. Our major is pipe fittings and flange. And also, if you need any help or assistance from our company, we will want to help you. And also,
don't forget carry us. WhatsApp.
This is our contact information. This is the email. You can send us through this email. Yeah. And also this is the WhatsApp number. You can contact us directly, so we will reply you immediately. And this is the WeChat we widely use in China. So you can contact us through WeChat too. And if you learn more information about our company, you can check in our website. You can get more information from the website. Okay?
So let us join hands, grow up, and strengths.
Yeah, and welcome you follow our company and join us. We together developed the new market and fight everything. Okay? Thank you for your coming.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.